Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a couple of new coupons that we just received on our accounts. Plus I put together a $5 any day deal that I wanted to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that today is Tuesday. That means we have our new clearance markdowns, and all of those items will be at 25 cents. Plus, we have a penny item, so you need to be on the lookout for that. If you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, also, keep in mind that at the stores with the new touchscreen registers, these markdowns may not happen for you automatically at the register until tomorrow. Now, also, I have been reading the comments from the last several videos that I've posted, and if you guys have missed out on watching those Christmas clearance visuals, make sure that you go and watch those. There's a lot of really good information in there. There's a lot of items that are included, but we also have some items that are excluded from this 25-cent markdown. And also, there are items that are in those videos that do not look like Christmas clearance items. So if you don't know what to look for, you're going to miss out on some deals. So again, if you've missed out on watching the Christmas clearance visuals videos part 1, 2, and 3, make sure that you go and watch all 3 of them. They're really quick little 10-minute videos. So I'm going to have all of that linked for you in the pinned comment down below. One more quick reminder that we do have coupons today that will give us overage on some of these Christmas air care items. So when you go up to the register, if you're going to use those digital coupons, don't forget to type in your phone number, because I do that all the time. And if you're going to use those insert coupons, do not leave those at home. Take advantage of that overage and lower your out-of-pocket. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump in and talk about some new coupons that we just received on our account. So here's one that popped up late last night. We have this DG store coupon for 50 cents off of fragrance kits. Now if you look closely at that coupon, it has 2 different expiration dates, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. The first one that you see says that it expires on the 26th. If you look down a little bit further into the details of the coupon, it does say that it expires on the 25th. So just make sure that y'all use this coupon before the 25th to keep it on the safe side. So what is this coupon working on? Well, it's working on select gift sets, and as most of you know, or hopefully you know, a lot of our gift sets are excluded from our Christmas clearance markdown, so all of those are still going to be full price today. I think that we only had about 10 gift sets that are included in the Christmas clearance markdowns, and those will be 25 cents. And no, I already double checked, this coupon does not work with those Christmas clearance gift sets. So let's go ahead and take a look at the gift sets that are working with this coupon. First up, we have the Personal Care Women's Fragrance Set Moonlight Path Scent. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2.50. Then we also have the Personal Care Women's Fragrance Set Tahiti Island Scent. Again, these are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Then it's also working on the Personal Care Men's Fragrance Set Fire and Spice Scent. This one's also priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And we also have the Personal Care Men's Fragrance Set Ocean Drive Scent. This one is also priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Now, if you want to pick up the larger gift sets, we also have the Beauty Care Women's Fragrance Set Citrus Sparkle Scent. These are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. And this coupon also works on the Personal Care Men's Fragrance Set Wild Earth Scent. Also, these are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Then we also have the Personal Care Men's Fragrance Set Solar Amber Scent. These are also priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Now, I wanted to go ahead and mention this in today's video because while you guys are out shopping today, if you can find any of those Christmas clearance air care products and use those digital or insert coupons for overages, you could definitely apply that overage to one of these gift sets and get them for super cheap or possibly even free. We also received a new digital coupon on the Scent Happy holiday items. So we have the Holiday Spice, Cozy Cabin, and Frosted Apple scents. And in each scent, we have the body spray, the shower gel, and the lotions. So all of these are priced at $3 each, so these will not be included in our Christmas clearance markdowns. However, we did just receive that new digital coupon for when you buy 2, you're going to get the third one for free. So that's going to leave you paying $6 for all 3 products, making those $2 each. And keep in mind, you can mix and match however you would like. And also, if you find any of those Christmas clearance air care products and take advantage of that overage, you could get all 3 of these products for super cheap or possibly even free. All right, now since a lot of y'all will be out shopping that 25-cent sale today, I wanted to go ahead and put together a quick little $5 deal. This is one that I'm going to try my best to do today if I can find all of these products at the stores that I'm going to visit. So if you want to, pick up 3 of the Kleenex 72 count at $1 each. A little tip on this, I found these in my regular Kleenex section, not in the dollar aisle. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeeze at $2.95 each, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, 1 of the Emergency 2 count at $1, 1 of the Pepsi or Diet Pepsi 2 liters at $2.30. You could probably pick up the Mountain Dew as well. Just make sure that you scan it before you go up to the register. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Frito-Lay dips priced at $3.20, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $18.90. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 1 off 3 Kleenex, the $2.99 off 2 Dawn, the $1.50 off 3 American greeting cards, the 1 off 1 Emergency, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's products, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. And after all of those coupons are applied, that is going to bring your subtotal down to $5.41 for 18 items, making each one just 30 cents each. Now, if you do not have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave it off. You will pay $2 extra unless you can find some of those Christmas clearance air care items and use the overage from that. All right, now I also wanted to go ahead and wish you guys good luck today with your Dollar General adventures. I hope you all get out there and score some amazing items. And if you do and you want to send in some pictures, I would love to see what you guys are finding out there. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can look me up over on Instagram and send it to me over there. All that information will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And again, if you missed out on any of those clearance videos, I'm going to have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Make sure that you check those out before you go into Dollar General this morning. And also, I did upload 2 other videos for you guys this week where we go over all the new Dollar General digital coupons and glitches. Plus, I also uploaded a video yesterday talking about the Walmart clearance event. Now, up next, we should have a Walgreens video plus Family Dollar good deals and glitches and 5 off $25 scenarios. So, we've got a really busy week. A lot is happening. We've got a lot of good deals to go over. So, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn those notifications on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.